Hi there, my name is Steve Fleischer with Timber West Design. We specialize in building timber shade structures for outdoor living spaces. Join me as I take you behind the scenes in the design process, and stay tuned for the end where we do the big reveal. First things first, we start by meeting with the client to understand their vision, lifestyle, and specific needs. The purpose of this project was to provide shade for their backyard and a roof over their hot tub. Whether it's a cozy cabana, a breathtaking pavilion, or an open-air pergola, I make sure that every detail aligns with the client's desires for the perfect outdoor sanctuary. After the initial consultation, we conduct a thorough site analysis. We capture the essence of the outdoor space through drone shots and pictures. This step is crucial to understanding natural elements, sunlight patterns, and any architectural features that will affect the design. From the information gathered, we translate the client's vision into a detailed sketch. Watch as the blank canvas transforms the client's vision into reality. This sets the foundation for the upcoming 3D rendering. The sketch comes to life in the hands of our talented design team. We create a stunning 3D rendering that provides a real-world look into the project. The sketch allows the client to visualize the end result and make any necessary changes before we move forward. Once the 3D rendering is complete, we present it to the client for approval. Their satisfaction is our top priority. Upon receiving the green light, the project moves into the production phase. Our skilled craftsmen and builders bring the design to life, executing each detail with precision. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the grand installation. Our awesome team comes in to install this project. Notice the transformation of this outdoor space. This is now a beautiful haven for the family to enjoy. Also, notice that you don't see any hardware. We use dovetail joinery, which looks fantastic and is incredibly strong. As we wrap up this journey, we hope you enjoyed witnessing the process behind our luxury shade structures. If you've been inspired to elevate your outdoor living space, we invite you to get started towards your own project. Simply visit our website at timberwestdesign.com, enter your information, and get a free consultation with me. We can then build you a custom kit which can be shipped to your city and installed by a local contractor. Stay tuned for more insights and videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more fun projects that can inspire you. Your dream outdoor sanctuary awaits, and I'm here to make it a reality. Until next time, thanks for watching.